capabilities come in handy.
Okay.
Imagine you want to target a specific group of leads with
Yeah.
a tailored marketing campaign.
Okay.
You can filter your database by criteria like location, industry, or even the specific product or service they expressed interest in.
Now you're speaking my language.
Yeah.
I'm all about targeted communication and personalization.
It makes a big difference.
Yeah, it's so much more effective than sending out generic messages to everyone.
Huge difference.
Okay, so we've captured these leads.
Right.
We've organized them in our CRM.
Yep.
Now what? What's the next step in this journey?
Well, the next step is where the real magic happens.
Okay.
It's all about converting those leads into paying customers.
Okay.
It's not enough to just collect names and email addresses. You need to nurture those leads, build relationships, and guide them through the sales process.
That's a good point. It's like dating. You wouldn't propose on the first date.
Exactly.
You need to build a connection first.
Exactly.
How does this CRM help with that whole process?
Your sources describe a key feature that's all about tracking the lead stage.
Okay.
It's a way to vitalize where each lead is in their journey toward becoming a customer.
Okay.
For example, a new lead might be in the open stage, then move to contacted, then maybe follow-up, and finally converted.
Okay, so this converted stage, that's the holy grail. What does it actually mean? Is it just a fancy way of saying they've made a purchase?
You're on the right track.
Okay.
Converted means they've moved from being a potential customer to an actual customer.
Right.
This could be through a purchase, but it could also be something like booking their first appointment or signing up for a paid trial.
Fair.
And the software lets you customize this based on what conversion means for your specific business.
That makes a lot of sense. So it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's adaptable to different business models.
Right.
Love that flexibility. But let's be real. Not every lead is going to turn into a customer, right?
Of course not.
What about those leads that just aren't a good fit?
You're bringing up something that your sources refer to as junk leads.
Okay.
These are leads that are unlikely to convert, maybe because they're not in the right target audience or they're just not genuinely interested. And it's important to recognize that not every interaction will lead to a sale, and that's okay.
So how does the CRM help us deal with those junk leads? Do we just ignore them?
Ignoring them might not be the best strategy. Instead, the CRM allows you to mark a lead as junk,
Oh, okay.
which essentially removes them from your active pipeline. This helps you focus your time and energy on the leads that have the most potential.
Got it. So it's like decluttering your digital space,
Yes.
making sure you're not wasting effort on leads that are going nowhere.
Exactly.
That way you can really put your energy into the ones that have promise.
And by tracking these junk leads, you might even start to notice patterns
Oh, okay.
that can help you refine your marketing efforts and attract more qualified leads in the future.
Oh, that's a great tip. It's like turning those failures into valuable insights. I'm curious about this whole process of moving leads through different stages, from open to converted. It seems like there's a lot of potential for things to fall through the cracks, especially if you're dealing with a large number of leads. How does the CRM help you stay organized and on top of things?
So that's where the concept of a sales pipeline comes in. Your sources describe it as a visual representation of your sales process, with each lead stage representing a step in that journey.
So it's like a roadmap
Yes.
for your sales team, guiding them through the steps to convert leads into customers.
Right.
I like that visual aspect. It's much easier to grasp than just looking at rows of data in a spreadsheet.
Exactly. The CRM often provides a visual interface where you can literally see the leads moving through the different stages.
Oh, wow.
This helps you identify bottlenecks, prioritize follow-up efforts, and make sure that no lead gets left behind.
Okay, so we've talked about capturing leads,
Right.
organizing them,
Yeah.
moving them through the sales pipeline. It's starting to paint a clear picture of how this CRM can streamline the whole process.
It's powerful.
Something tells me there's a lot more to this software than just organization, right?
You're absolutely right. We've only scratched the surface.
Okay.
One of the key things I noticed in your